Adin bangilaya pek biniak nadong sedong. Ya ki cases ki badon apo ka jelajungi barokawe. Adin by CM mila do batai ba kababun percentage ki para military forces ki bayo kini katangi e no la kajong ni shimbe thik tangia kajong ki civilian ki positive cases jong ki civilian badadin bangilaya pek pa nakaliang jong surkari ka record yo i ba ki babun ki case ki bajia hamni hapo ka Shillong agglomeration hapo ka Shillong urban area tinakar kadaw ka surkar ka larai menta ka janit bandon ka total lockdown nadu ka sngi nengkong hadu ka sngi baar kabamut khat lai bat khat sautri kandon ka total lockdown batru hakini kisngi kandon ka curfew kabaan beteng hadu ka khat santarik menstet por henriu beji kan kut khat santarik menstet bat kane karai ka bangisim kalong kamut na kabenta kanika na bangisim ni kana lockdown ban ong ba bangin ong la se ba kane ka lockdown kolong mengisiap ti andai kalong ba hakaju kapor bangin hikai ya ki pajba nong song uwe pa we tong ini long mangi borok iwe pi we ki nong song bagi de kita kin nong ya kun persya ya uneu kenyang jingpang pimdei banchania tang ha ka sarkar lani pimdei banchania tang hapo ka health department lani pimdei banchania tang ha kita ki borsnong ki borthau bantrei lei uwe pa ka we ki nong song jong ke jela ka jongi ai bangin long kita kin nong yakun persya ya uneu kenyang jingpang hakine kisni kine ke artli kisni ngin IT hakane ka COVID-19 management committee but kumju ru ka behavior management local committee ba kin rung haki ye kisem kat kum ka jing ibit jong ki ban ai ka kenja jing hikai ba ka wei pa ka wei ka tluing ka de ban kit khia bat ka de ban kit kli na ka benta ka jing sngai bat ru na ka benta ban yada ya ka jing sapriang jong uni uknyang jingpang 30 is BSF personnel and then 17 is civilian 30 is BSF and 17 is civilian out of the 17 8 are from the positive cases that we received today 8 are from the wedding party
of the 2 positive cases that came out from the wedding party. So out of the wedding party, as you're aware, there were 2 cases that came out positive. We have done extensive contact tracing of the individuals from these 2 the 2 who had tested positive. And out of the primary contacts and the high-risk contacts of these 2 initial cases that came out positive, 8 have come out positive today. I think it'll be too early to say that it's a community transmission. I think it's very clear that the largest cluster is the BSF cluster. So we have almost 159 from BSF and Air Force we have 2. So therefore we can clearly see that more than 70% or almost 80% of the cases are from BSF. Apart from that, the other cases are again cluster-wise, where we have the Khanapara cluster, which is close to the border of Guwahati. So we have impact from that. Then obviously we have the Greenwood wedding cluster. So these are the ones that numbers are now something that we are watching at and looking for and doing the contact tracing. So I think as of now, the situation is something which is serious. And we do need to go into aggressive contact tracing and ensuring that it does not go any further. But I think it will be premature for us to say that it's a community spread.